Subscribe to RA Solutions by clicking on the subscribe button and clicking on the bell icon to receive notifications. Hello there, welcome to another video by RA Solutions. In this video what we're going to be doing is using Microsoft Word 2016. You can do this in Office 365 or Word Online, and it's basically showing you how to use text wrapping and putting some text over a picture in a document. So I've got a Word document open here. It's a bit of text and a bit of a document my son's done about volcanoes for his primary school project, and what I have here is the by RA Solutions, and what I want is this by RA Solutions, I want it over this picture of this volcano. So what I'm going to do now is drag this text. So I'm going to do this, drag the text and drag it so it's over the picture. Look at what happens. It's put the text behind the picture, but the picture needs to be behind the text. If I do a Control Z and go back to the original state, what I can do is two things. First of all is highlight this picture, right click and go to wrap text. At the moment it's in front of the text. All I need to do is change it so it's behind the text, like that. Now if I highlight the writing, hover over the picture, you can see that writing is clearly visible. However, if I change the color of the writing to white, in terms of the contrast of the background and the writing, you can see now that writing is in front of the picture. So that's an easy way to show you how to put a writing in front of a picture or an image in Microsoft Word. There are other ways to do this, and the important thing to note though, if you highlight the image, right click, wrap text. That way you can change the formatting, the layout of the picture, how you want that picture to go. So one more time, highlight, right click, wrap text. There is another way. If you highlight the picture, go to one of the top buttons here at the top in the ribbon. If I go to format, there's wrap text here as well. So if you can access the wrap text feature here, but the way I do it is highlight again, right click, wrap text, and there we have it behind text. There is another way. Some pictures will have the wrap text function here in terms of the layout options. If I click on that, you can change it there as well, but that's a new feature in Word. But what I would do is tend to stick with this one, right click, wrap text, behind the text. So that's how to put writing in front of a picture. Now if I move this second picture across this way, what I want it to do, let me move this picture here down at the bottom. I want the text to wrap around this picture here. Now at the moment I can't do that because obviously if I right click, wrap text, at the moment the text is in front and the picture is in front of the text. But if I change the setting, so if I hover over some of them, you can see how the picture or the formatting of the document changes. Yeah, I want it so the writing is around the picture. Now normally what you would choose there is tight, okay, and obviously there's some writing this side to the right of the picture, so if you just move the picture that way, you can see how the formatting or the layout of the writing changes accordingly based on the picture where you're moving the picture to. So wrap text is a really good feature in Microsoft Word. Please play around with it. So two things I've shown you today: how to put text in front of or over a picture, and how to wrap text so the writing or the text you have goes around the picture. So a few techniques in Microsoft Word. Some people struggle with it. If you found this interesting or useful, please like, subscribe and share.